Transportation in plants and animals. All living organisms required food, water and oxygen to survive, and these substances should be circulated to all the parts of the body and excreted from the body. For this organism requires transportation system. Transportational system of plant. The root of the plant carry water and minerals from the soil through the process known as ascent of sap with the help of root hairs, and the water is absorbed by the roots through a process called osmosis. The xylem and phloem are the two vascular tissues that helps in the transportation of water and minerals. The xylem is unidirectional and it transports the water and minerals from the root to the leaves, and the phloem is bidirectional and it transports the prepared food from the leaf to other parts of the plants. This process is known as translocation, and the phloem is bidirectional and it was also called sieve tubes. The transpiration's the process of plant releasing excess water, and this transpiration leads to a suction pull which is known as transpiration pull. And other unicellular organisms carry out their functions in one cell, so the transportation system is lack and they uses a process known as diffusion. The multicellular organisms have a well-developed transport system. System of human. It is required to transport water, nutrition, to transport respiratory gases and to transport the waste product. The main organs are blood vessels and heart. The blood is a red color fluid which clothes throughout the body that transports various substances like digested food and respiratory gases. The blood contains two components. One is liquid component which is blood plasma, and the other one is solid component that is blood cells. There are three types of blood cells: red blood cells, then they are spherical in shape and also known as erythrocyte, the container recruitment known as hemoglobin that transport the oxygen throughout the body. The white blood cells are colorless and also known as leukocyte that kill and fight against germs that enters the body. Platelets are the blood cells that prevent blood from flowing out of the body during injuries by forming clots. We have three types of blood vessel. Arteries carry oxygen blood from the heart to different parts of the body. The weight carry deoxygenated blood from different parts of the body to the heart, and when the arteries reaches it issue this list out into extreme thin tubes known as capillaries. The heart is a muscular organ which beats continuously to act as a park for the transport of blood in the body. The heart is located in the chest cavity. The heart is made up of cardiac muscles and it supports 72 to 80 times per minute. The heart is made up of four chambers: the left auricle, left ventricle, right auricle and right ventricle. The chambers are divided by a muscular tube called septum. Heartbeat. The heart beats continuously until the lifetime. The number of times a heart beats per minute is known as the pulse rate or the heartbeat, which can be heard in a stethoscope. Excretion. The process of removal of excess phase from the body is known as excretion. Different animal uses different way of excretion. The human beings excrete their waste through egestion, sweating and exhalation. The human excretory system consists of two parts of kidney which filters the blood and the two ureters that connects the kidney and the urinary bladder, and the urinary bladder stores the urine temporarily, and the urethra is a hole through which the urine is passed out from the body. Dialysis is an abnormal condition during injuries when the kidney is not working properly. During this time the blood should be cleaned artificially, and the period when the artificial filtration of blood occurs is known as dialysis. This video was created by Jananthehaa SM, student from grade 7 Acharya Western Ghats International School.